After you signing into your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, tap on this help button at the top right of your screen, which will open up this chat pages, and you want to typing in I need to make a call, and hit on the send button besides it. The robot or the AI then will reply like this, and you may tell them about your problem to the chatbot. Then hit the send button again. On here, whatever the answer, make sure to let them know that you still need to talk to someone, so I will click on I still need an expert. And then here, click on callback. After that, they will ask and confirm your identification that you inserted before on TurboTax, such as your name, phone number, and your email. Then, after you confirm everything, you want to choose an option for Yes, connect me. Then an expert will call you by your phone number that you just inserted before. On some cases, the chat box will give you a case number, and also a phone number that you have to call. So you might get a different response than I do. And after you got the number, you can start to call them right away. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.